Where'd he go?
This is crazy. This is cool. We're watching it. Oh, that's crazy.
That is awesome. Casey, come here. Come on, bird. Look like that rat's tiring out, dude. There's a rat, a mouse, and a bird.
Yeah.
There's a little bird trying to get a little mouse. He's been attacking it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see that.
This is awesome. This is the most action today.
Yeah.
I'll be damned. He gonna get him too.
Yeah.
The rat's tiring out too.
A bird chasing a rat.
Little mouse.
They're just going around a tire.
So this is what car salesman does on the slow back.
Yes. Keep on going around that tire.
They're just gonna keep on going in a circle. Birds
He's
don't
not
eat
even
mice,
trying to
man.
eat him or nothing. He just.
No, I don't. Bird don't eat mice.
I didn't think so. It's just.
That mouse might be in after something he wanted though.
That is pretty funny.
Oh, where'd they go?
Down the other side.
The birds over here, I don't know what that is.
The mouse.
There he goes.
There it is.
They just going around.
They done been around about 7 times. The mouse gonna get dizzy here in a minute. Oh, cut him off. Cut him off. He finally got smart.
Jumped him.
He finally got smart. Oh, no.
I saw the crowd climb up on that wheel.
But a bird can fly.
That's true.
Man, birds don't eat mice, do they?
Maybe he thought it was a cricket or something. He's trying to taste them.
Yep, found it.
Stupid mouse. You couldn't
Could be gone.
The mouse could have hauled.
He lost him again.
Oh, the bird's giving up now. Bird's like, it ain't no fun.
Right there. Go back.
I wonder if it's one of them super dumb birds that fell run to the window.
Oh yeah.
We gotta do that all.
You lucked out, mouse. You lucked out.
I mean, if he'll just run right into the window and
The mouse still high.
fall over and die.